Hey there, it's Bootzone here. This is a washing machine motor out of a Bosch washing machine, and I was doing the bearings on the machine and I thought it'd be a good time to just take it out and blow all the carbon dust out of it with a air compressor. So I've done that, and I'm just going to check these brushes in here. So I need something small and pokey, a little screwdriver or something. I'll push this down, pull off that wire, put it aside, push this in, lift that up, have a look in here and see this brush. This machine gets a lot of use, and they've still got life left in them, but they're about halfway down. So I've got some spare ones, so I might as well just replace them instead of waiting for it to wear out. So I'll put the new one in. It's got a bevel on it, and the bevel corresponds to the angle here rubbing off the commutator. So you put them in like that, so it hits the commutator at a tangent, if that makes sense. Slide it in. It should slide freely. If it doesn't, you've got a problem with your brush holder. It's a different issue. This is the hardest bit, squeezing this spring down. You can do it with your eyes closed. It's almost easier. You just need to kind of mush it all in. Feel that's all gone in. Get that bit in there. Come on, in you go. It's always harder on a new brush as well, because there's more brush in there for the spring to be in the way of the spring compressing. Slide that in, clip it down, and then slide it back again. With the screwdriver, hold it on the other side and slide the brush thing on until it clicks, and it hasn't clicked yet. There it is, and the little tab will pop up. So do it again. We'll zoom in a bit. So to get this brush off, just push down the tab on the spade connector and pull it back. Pull the wire aside, push the brush tab in, let it pop up, pull it back out. Get a new brush, slide it in with the angle correct. So in this case it's this way. Push it all the way down. It's harder when it's new. It pops out again. Probably can't see anything there, but get it in at an angle to get that spring compressed. Slide it in, and then slide it back. Put that on like that, and you're back in business. It's how to change the brushes on, I think, almost any Bosch washing machine that has a brushed commutator motor. They're all the same, even if the motor doesn't look like this. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.